but it's because I'm really lazy and I have a bunny now, so I'm a father now. So yeah. Anyways, okay, so yeah. So today I'm finna be doing an unboxing of the Oster. Okay, you just gonna take it? Okay. Oster fast feeds, okay? You want to unbox them for me? Okay, so I've been wanting new clippers for a while now because I want to take like cutting hair more seriously. Like I want to cut other people's hair. Like so, if you want to practice on you, hit me up. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of these. Okay. So. Okay, y'all. So here are the clippers. There's Gucci in the background. Here are the clippers. I'm gonna be unboxing them for y'all. All right. So here we go. All right. So here is what you see when you open the box first. It's pretty plain, nothing like a Beats unboxing or nothing, you know what I mean? I've already opened the box earlier today because I'm really impatient, so some stuff might be open. I just pulled this open. It was obviously more organized and nice, but so here's like the lubricating oil and some guards. Probably not going to use these guards, but you know, they're here. Yeah, all that stuff. So the next is these. Just a booklet, you know what I mean? All that good stuff. It has to have a booklet. And here, one of the guards has fallen out. Blending. Alright. Here's another little pamphlet. La-di-da-di-da. Dang, he's being bad over there. Okay. All that good stuff. Obviously, not worried about it. Okay. Let's get to the meat and cheese, okay? Here are the clippers. So I'm not going to pop this bubble wrap because it's tempting, but I'm just not going to do it. So here are the clippers in all their glory. I'm going to move this boo-boo cheese to the side. Alright, so take off the bubble wrap. Here they are, bro. I'm finna get a better clip of the clip. Alright, y'all, so here they are in all of their glory. I might enter a clip with some natural lighting in later, maybe at the end or something. Pop that off. Get away. Get away. Bro, here they are. Fast feeds. Here they are. Man, I suck. I'm sorry. It's because I'm one-handed. But y'all get the point. They're beautiful. They really are beautiful. Let's get the back of them. Y'all seen that? That shine? But yeah. So, since I'm lucky enough to have a little plug-in right here, I'm finna give y'all a little sound test. They are, like this is on the box, has a powerful whisper quiet motor. I'm finna put that to the test. I hope they're as quiet as it says because my current clippers are trash. They are Walmart clippers. I mean, you gotta start from somewhere, you know what I mean? So, let's go ahead and give it a go. Bro, these sound nice. And y'all might be sitting here like, okay, that's not even that quiet. I'm finna give y'all a comparison of my old Walmart clippers. This is my first impression of my Oster fast feed. So I'm gonna give y'all a close-up of these horrible, dirty, old Walmart clippers that I started with. Okay, so here we go. And yes, they are very dirty and old, and they were hand-me-down. So you know I'm trying to work with what I got. It's really just gross. That's why if anybody ever asked me to cut their hair, I was always going to say no and just let me get some new clippers. I slide real easily, I guess you could say. But they're just horrible and just gross and just trash, man. Comparison test of my Oster fast feeds and these Wall Precision clippers, just these Walmart clippers that were hand-me-downs for I don't know how many years. And I'm just going to give y'all a little sound test. These are pretty quiet too, but I mean, they be having their days when they're loud. I promise you that. Okay, here's the sound test of the Oster fast feeds. They're pretty quiet. And then here's the sound test of these just Wall Precision clippers, Walmart clippers. You hear the sound kind of changes. Alright, I'm gonna give you a sound test with the guard on. It's just a 1/16 guard. Yeah. So I don't know, these clippers are kind of, I don't know, they're kind of iffy. And I also have my T outliners. I'm not gonna give you up. These are kind of, in my opinion, they're kind of loud, honestly. I don't know. I don't know if they're like that in the beginning, but you know, these things do happen. They're a good pair of clippers, but I think overall it's just kind of a loud clipper. But I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I've had Tiana's for a while now. I think it's a good clipper overall. But yeah, so that's the sound tests. I can give y'all a cut test later on, but I don't really need a haircut right now, so I'm not gonna just mess up my hair or play with my hair just because I'm impatient. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Oster fast foods.
Easy, 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 easy. Riley's up, you need money and visa, and you get what you want always from me.